远走。哇！
Small on size, but big on taste.
Confound it, Schnitzel, you and your allergies.
Chowder, and to complete the dish, all we need to do is to add some ground clever. That was close. Thank you, Chowder. That would have ruined the dish. Wow, this guy sure is funny.
Ô, Emília, você tem que se cobrir.
Não.
Vai acabar ficando doente.
Primeiro, eu preciso de um bom espirro. Achoo!
Sabe, Emília?
Eu tô mal. Achoo!
Ups, acho que fiquei doente de verdade.
And they got me sick, too. Yeah, I think I caught it, too.
Me too.
Achoo! We better go see the professor.
Hurry, girls, hurry!
Professor! Professor! The whole town is...
Nick, I know. I'm already working on it. I've managed to isolate the virus, but it doesn't conform to any virus ever documented. I believe it's a new strain. Yeah, have a look.
Professor, those look just like the Amoeba Boys.
The Amoeba Boys. I wonder if, now this is only a hunch, but suppose the Amoeba Boys were standing in the park next to a keep off the grass sign in an attempt to break the law when a storm rolled in. Now suppose they stood in the rain all night and caught a cold. That cold could mix with their single-cell anatomy to create a devastating new virus that could then infect all of Townsville. Of course, that's only a hunch. Girls, you must find the Amoeba Boys. The antidote is within them. Do you know where they are?
Yes, Buttercup kicked them out of town. And they left. So, no.
We'll find the Amoeba Boys, Professor. Come on.
And so the Powerpuff Girls began to search for the host of one of the most deadly viruses ever to befall mankind.